Remind me, 60 small crest.
60 small crest, 2 left half long, 100 down mid.
Right.
Okay, that was the 15-second thing. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 over small crest, 2 left half long, 100 down mid. Right over small crest, into 3 right half long, 40. Just 3 right, then it's 1 right down, 3 left, then care 5 right, and then 6 left past junction long, 40. 1 right, 130. Then slowing 4 left, tightens into hairpin left, hole inside. Here's your hairpin left, then hairpin right into 3 right, long, and 60. Then turn hairpin left, then 2 right, and 3 left, 40. Here's your 3 left. 2 left over small crest and 2 right, 100. Then deceptive hairpin right on crest. Deceptive hairpin right on crest. Two left, continues for 80 into 1 right. Then 60 and 1 right, 60. Then 5 left, long, late, don't cut, turn, 4 right, sudden 5 left. So first 5 left, turn 4 right, sudden 5 left. There you go. 3 left, long, 40. Then hairpin right, watchtower outside, 130. 6 left. And 1 left over small crest, 40. So 6 left, 1 left over crest, 40. 3 left over crest bump, care 60 down, open hairpin left long. Here's your open hairpin left long. Then tight 4 right, sorry, tight 6 right long. Tight 6 right long. 1 right over crest and 3 left. Here's your 3 left, then 80, slowing crest, and hairpin right past lane. So crest, slowing, hairpin right past lane, 170. This is your 170. Then 3 left, don't cut, 150, clear ahead. This is 150. Caution, 4 right, tightens over small crest, narrows late, 40, then 2 left long, past junction, here's your 2 left, 1 right, 60 care, deceptive tight, 6 left long, deceptive tight, 6 left long, then 2 right long, 60, 1 left over bump, 80, 1 right over small crest, then 2 left, continues for 100 and tightens into 5 left. So 2 left, continues for 100, tightens into 5 left, then into 6 right. Here's your 5 left, into 6 right, and 4 left. Then 6 left, tight 6 right long. Then into 6 left, through post, and then we rejoin, and it's hairpin left, through post, hairpin left. 4 right, into 4 left, don't cut, 1 left long, then 1 right, small crest long and 2 right past lane, then 100. 1 right, care 80, turn, hairpin right, tight, don't cut, 130. Hairpin right, 130. Flat crest, 250, then crest, 250, chicane, enter right, 3 bales, and then 150. Chicane, enter right, 3 bales, 150. Then 1 right and 150. 1 left long, 150. Here's your 1 left long, then 150. Then it's care 1 left, slowing into small crest, into 5 left. Small crest, 5 left. Opens into 2 left long, then 1 right over small crest, 40. Then 2 left over crest and 40 down. And slippy 2 right. Here's your slippy 2 right, 60 down. 2 right into 5 left, into slowing 4 right for hairpin right. Here's your 5 left, 2 right, 4 right, slowing hairpin right, tightens. 6 left. Then tight 5 left long and 60 up mid. 1 right over crest, 100. Then big crest jump, 150 down mid. Caution, slowing 2 right, tightens into hairpin right. Slowing 2 right, tightens into hairpin right, then 60. 3 left, 3 left, continues for 100 and tightens into 5 left. Tightens into 5 left. And then 60 and 1 left. Then 60 and small crest into 4 left long, into 3 right. Here's your 4 left long, into 3 right, 200. Then small crest jump and 2 right, into slowing 3 left for hairpin right. So crest jump, 2 right, slowing into 3 left for hairpin right. 4 left long opens and turn 6 right. Don't cut. 250 up mid. Then 3 right over crest bump, 60. Repeat, 3 right over crest bump and 60. Then 4 right, 100. 1 left, continues for 100. Tightens into 5 left over crest, don't cut. Tightens into 5 left over crest, don't cut. 2 right, 2 right long and 1 left over flat crest, 130. Then 1 left over small crest, 40. And tight 2 right half long and crest 1 left. Then 40 and 1 right. 80, 1 right long and then 130 down. 4 right, half long and 130.
Where's the 4?
This is the 4 right.
Okay.
Half long, 130.
Well done.
Caution, 5 left over crest, 150. Then 1 left, 80. Then 3 left, care. 1 right continues for 100, tighten, 60 down. This is your 1 right, continues for 100, tighten, 60 down. Then 2 right, 40. And 2 left long, 40. Then 3 left, past shed, 100, turn hairpin left. 80 and narrow tightens. Here's a hairpin. Okay, so Tighten junction, hairpin right, long, round barrier. Tighten junction,
Yeah.
hairpin right, round barrier. Then 4 left. That's it. 4 left, 1 right, 150. Turn hairpin left, tightens, 200. Hairpin left, tightens, 200. Then it's 2 right and 4 left, tightens over junction, don't cut. So 2 right into 4 left,
Yeah.
130. 1 right, 40. And then 1 left, continues for 100. Tightens into 4 left and then 2 right. So 4 left, 2 right. 1 left long, 40, tight 3 right, 60. Here's your tight 3 right. Then turn 4 right tight, 40. Here's your 4 right. Then it's 1 left, continues for 130 and tightens, and 2 right past lane. Here's your 2 right, yeah, 40. 1 left, continues for 170. And 2 right, then 200. 2 right, then 200. Jesus.
Big hole there.
Yeah, that was a bit hectic.
Yeah.
Whee!
Well done.
Well done. I think we were cock on with that one.
Yeah, pretty good.